How to lock apps on iPhone 17. Looking for a quick and easy way to lock apps on your iPhone 17 and add an extra layer of privacy? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to protect your apps with Face ID, quickly and without any confusion. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and find the app you want to protect. Press and hold the app icon until the Options menu appears. From the menu, select Require Face ID. You'll now see a couple of options. You can choose Require Face ID to simply lock the app, or you can choose Hide and Require Face ID if you also want to remove the app from your home screen. If you choose Hide and Require Face ID, tap Hide App to confirm. The app will then disappear from your home screen. To access a hidden app later, swipe all the way to the app library, scroll down, and find the Hidden folder. Tap the Hidden folder and use Face ID to unlock it and access your hidden apps. And that's how you can lock or hide apps on your iPhone 17 using Face ID. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.